Instant English Expert with Marie and Dylan.
We will learn 4 important patterns in less than 3 minutes.
Too many is used with countable nouns.
Too much is used with uncountable nouns.
Use to before an adjective.
Do you need more? Put an adjective between not and enough.
Read, listen, and repeat the 4 patterns with us.
She has too much homework.
She has too much homework.
He drinks too much coffee.
He drinks too much coffee.
They eat too much ice cream.
They eat too much ice cream.
There are too many cars on the road.
There are too many cars on the road.
Our son has too many comic books in his room.
Our son has too many comic books in his room.
There are too many people waiting in line.
There are too many people waiting in line.
This math problem is too difficult.
This math problem is too difficult.
This class is too long and boring.
This class is too long and boring.
This curry is too spicy.
This curry is too spicy.
The suit is not big enough.
The suit is not big enough.
I am not rich enough to buy that car.
I am not rich enough to buy that car.
My dog is not scary enough to be a guard dog.
My dog is not scary enough to be a guard dog.
Good luck with your English studies, and we hope to see you again soon at the English Conversation Club.